Here's a really cool tool I just recently discovered, a rare earth magnetic stud finder, no batteries required, has a little level bob and a plumb bob. It rotates in there, and I'll show you how it works. It's cool because there are no batteries and it fits so easily in your bag. So here it is unboxed. You're just going to move it on the sheetrock. Oh, kind of an S pattern, and it'll stick right there. So you know a stud's right there. It's just grabbing the sheetrock screw. So there it is, and then that vial can rotate 90, and it kind of snaps at 90. See if we can find another one. There's the next stud. Right there. Pretty cool tool. Again, it just fits in your carpenter's bags. CH Hansen, I like their products a lot. This thing works really well. Not very expensive. I got it on Amazon. And then I like that vial clicking into place. Do it one more time. Find another stud. Kind of in an S pattern. There it is right there. And then it just sticks on there. TopSaw, all things wood, from tree work to woodwork.